Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is G. Varun, pursuing my education in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bengaluru. In this video, we will discuss about type conversion and typecasting. So let us dive into the topic. Introduction to type conversion and typecasting. Type conversion refers to the automatic or manual conversion of one data type to another. Typecasting is a way to forcefully change the data type of an expression or variable. Understanding type conversion and typecasting is crucial for proper data manipulation and program execution. Type conversion in C is defined as if we assign any data type to another data type and then call it type conversion. Any programming language with lower data type values can automatically be cached into upper data type values. In this situation, there is no loss of data, whereas in the case of upper data type value into lower data type value, there may chances of loss of data. Next, implicit type conversion, which is also known as widening type conversion. A widening conversion changes a value to a data type that can allow for any possible values of the original data. Widening conversions preserve the source value but can change its representation. This occurs if you convert from an integral type to decimal or from character to string. Implicit type conversion, also known as widening, occurs automatically by the compiler. It converts smaller data type to larger ones without losing data. Examples of implicit type conversions include converting an int to a float or a character to an int. Next, explicit type conversion, which is also known as narrowing type conversion. Explicit type conversion, also known as narrowing, requires manual intervention. It is done by the programmer to convert large data types to smaller ones. Explicit type conversion may result in data loss or truncation. A narrowing conversion changes a values to a data type that might not be able to hold some of the possible values. For example, a frictional value is rounded when it is converted to an integral type, and a numeric type being converted to Boolean is reduced to either true or false. Next, we will discuss about type conversion functions. Programming language provide built-in functions to perform type conversions. Examples of type conversions in function include the int, float, string functions in Python. These functions convert the argument to the specified data type. Next, typecasting in programming. Typecasting is a technique to explicitly change the data type of a variable or expression. It is done by enclosing the value within parentheses followed by the desired data type. Type conversion is commonly used when performing arithmetic operations or when assigning values. Next, numerical typecasting. Numeric casting is the process of converting one data type to another numeric data type. It allows you to explicitly tell the compiler to treat a value of one type as if it were another type. This is particularly useful when you need to perform operations involving differing data types or when you want to enforce a specific type conversion. Numeric typecasting involves converting one numeric data type to another. For example, casting a float to an int or an int to double. Numeric casting can result in a loss of precision or range. Next, character typecasting. Character typecasting in C involves converting a value of one data type to character data type. This is useful when you want to represent the numeric values as a character or when you need to perform character related operations on the value. Character typecasting involves converting a character to its corresponding ASCII or Unicode value. Casting a character to an int can be useful for certain operations like character arithmetic. Be conscious when casting between character and numeric types to avoid unexpected results. Next, string type casting. String type casting is used to convert non-string data types to a string. There is no direct string type like in higher level programming language. Instead, strings are represented as array of characters terminated by null character which is indicated by /0. These arrays are commonly referred to as C style strings. It is commonly used for concatenating strings with other data types. String types casting helps in proper formatting and output manipulation. Next, Boolean type casting. Boolean type casting converts other data types to Boolean values like true and false. In C, there is no built-in Boolean data type like in other programming language has. Example, C++, Java, Python, etc. In C, Booleans are typically represented by using integers where 0 is considered as false and any non-zero value is considered as true. Common examples include converting integers like 0 or non-zero to Boolean values. Boolean type casting is useful for logical operations and conditional statements. Next, risk and consideration in type conversion and typecasting. Typecasting may lead to data loss or unexpected result if not done carefully. Be aware of potential overflow or underflow when converting between numeric types. Understand the limitations and rules of types conversions in your programming language. Next, we will discuss about best practices of type conversions and typecasting. Avoid unnecessary typecasting as it can implicit performance and code readability. Always validate and check for potential data loss or truncation during typecasting. Understand the specific rules and limitations of type conversion in your programming language. Finally, we will discuss about examples and programming language. Provide examples of type conversion and typecasting in popular programming languages like Python, Java, and C++. Include code snippets to illustrate the syntax and usage of type conversion, functions, and casting. And another example in programming language is your third bullet. Finally, we will discuss about the summary. Type conversion is an automatic or manual conversion of one data type to another. Typecasting is a way to forcefully change the data type of an expression or variable. Understanding type conversion and typecasting is essential for proper data manipulation and program execution. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and like my channel.